Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop notifications from the Wall Street Journal app. So let's get started. First, go to your phone home screen and open settings on phone. Once you're on your settings, scroll down and click on apps. Then search for the Wall Street Journal. Next, tap on notifications. Here you will see all the options for how the app can alert you. Now you will see a switch at very top that says allow notifications. Just turn this off. The Wall Street Journal app won't send you any alerts. If you don't want full list of notifications, you can customize them instead. For example, turn off the sound or badges or choose lock screen only. After you have made your choice, just go back. Your changes are saved automatically, and that's it. You have successfully stopped notification from the Wall Street Journal app on your phone. Now you can read the news only when you want to without any interruptions. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.